Hello guys, I am Caramel Fluff, and welcome to my clubhouse. Oh, you see nothing, right? Oh, by the way, here's my clubhouse. Say the magic password. Caramel Fluff is the awesome littlest pet shop ever. Caramel Fluff is the awesome littlest pet shop ever. Now let's go in the teleporter. Oops, and whoops. Pow. Here we are in my clubhouse. Welcome. I'm gonna welcome you to the kitchen. This is... Oh, I forgot to drink my juice box again. And mixing my dough. Oh, I already mixed it. I forgot. Yeah, oh well. Here we go. We're going to the kitchen. The kitchen. I love the kitchen. I love the kitchen. Dining room. And my donuts. Nom nom nom. Ooh, they taste so good. No, where am I? Oh, there am I. I fell. Now we're going to my room. It's super bouncy. Remember, it's super bouncy. Ooh, bouncy. Oh well, let's go. Now, first the washroom or the slide? Washroom, slide, washroom, slide, washroom. Here's the washroom. Enter. Here's the toilet, privacy. And here's my brushes. Now let's go to the slide. This is the magic sticking. Whoa! Here we go. Now get. Oh, there's my little pet. Everybody, I'll introduce you, Mr. Cuddles. Woo-hoo! Now let's go down the slide. Whee! That was awesome. Oh well. See you next time for my next clubhouse. Bye.